To run RSetPi with the sample data, you have to download the sample data from the RSetPi homepage, which is at rsetpi.blogspot.com, which I'm currently at. On the left-hand side of the web page is a link that says 2008 sample data. This link takes you to a Google Drive location. And so in this Google Drive, the data is shared under a 2008 directory and then under a 07 directory. So here on the left, click the 07. And then there are two files that are compressed using the 7-zip compression, 22.7z and 23.7z. These files contain the data sets for the sample data. So to download them, click on either one. I'm going to start with 22. Make sure you download both, but I'm going to start with 22. And then it's going to give you no preview available and then download. The Google Drive can't scan it for viruses because it's too large, but go ahead and click download anyway. And then, as you notice, the tabs in my browser kind of multiplied up here. So go to the very first tab, the root of the of where we were just at before these tabs started to multiply. So now we're back at the 2008 under the 07 directory on Google Drive. And I'm going to click on the 23.7z to begin downloading the data sets for that day. So I'm going to click on that, and then just be patient. The files are quite large, so it'll take several moments. Okay, so now both 7-zip files have been downloaded, the 22.7z and the 23.7z. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my downloads folder, and there's the two files. So I'm going to copy these. So I'm going to select them both, copy them, and then from the previous video when I formatted an external drive, I'm going to copy them over to that external drive. So this drive is empty. So let me go to computer so you can see it. Okay, so there's the external drive with the drive letter E. So yeah, I'm going to click it. It's empty. So before I actually do the copying, I'm going to create a folder called 2008. Then I'm going to open the 2008 folder and then create a folder inside that called 07. So this is how the structure for the raw data this is how it's structured for RSetPi. When raw data is downloaded, it's structured by year, month, and then day. So now I'm going to copy them. So I'm going to click paste. They're still in the clipboard, so I didn't have to go back to select them again. Okay, so now that the compressed files have been copied over to the external drive, I'm going to click on the 22.7z and then right-click, go to the 7-zip contextual menu, so 7-zip should already be installed, of course, and then click extract here. And then this will take several moments because of the size of the compressed file. And then after I'm done extracting the 22.7z, I'll do the exact same thing for the 23.7z, extracted in the same location. Okay, so now both sample data files have been decompressed, and now we have a 22 and a 23 folder under the 07 folder, which is then under the 2008 folder. So this is the structure. Again, this is the structure of how raw data is stored for RSetPi. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate into the 22 folder. So this is the 22nd of July, 2008. And there's several data sets, so I'm going to choose mode 03. And then there's several hours which correspond to the satellite overpass time, so I'm going to click on one of those. And then there are, you can see some HDF files that are in the hourly folders. So I'm going to go back up to the 22 folder, and I'm going to choose nomads, and then you can see that there is 24 folders under the nomads dataset folder that correspond to every hour in the day. And then there's a file called .nomads, which is really just an HDF5 file. So anyway, that's downloading the sample data so that it can be run via RSET, so it can be processed via RSET. And that'll happen in another video. Thank you.